Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And then when you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that area, there is a thumbs up button. It is important on the YouTube platform that you guys press that for me. What that does is it tells YouTube that you're enjoying my content, and then they'll put my video in front of others that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So thank you for doing that in advance. It's that thumbs up that's right underneath the video. Okay, today we are going to be discussing and going through the Boxycharm Premium box. That's the one that has this really pretty blue on the inside and it says Premium. This is the $35 a month box. You can get this box solely from Boxycharm on a month-to-month without having to do anything with any other box. But if you're starting a new membership, you do have to start with the base box, and then you can switch to the premium, but you don't have to keep the base box to keep the premium going month to month to month. Hope that makes some sense. Okay, there's no upgrading or downgrading from the premium. If you want the luxe, then you have to have the base box, and then the base box every quarter turns into a luxe if you upgrade, and that's another $25 on that month, which makes that box $50. But today we're going through the premium, which is the $35 a month box. We got a card in the box, and the card number that I got is number 13. So really, really excited to share this with you guys. In the premium box this month, it's the month of September, everyone's going to be getting a full-size palette from this brand called Eloise, E-L-O-I-S-E. We'll be going through that one at the end. That will be in every box. And on my channel, I do get 2 boxes, so there will be a giveaway at one point for that second palette, because whenever I get a second palette, that for sure is a giveaway that I set up. But what I chose for my box this month in this version was the Marc Jacobs. This is in the one called Youthquake. It's a Hydra full gel cream. It came in this beautiful box, and this is what the product looks like. It also feels really, really heavy. Let me go through this with you, and I'm going to read you from the card and what the information that they sent. They're saying this is a $59 product in a $35 box. This is the Marc Jacobs, like I said, the Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturing Gel Cream. They says if you have it all, this is a multitasking moisturizer that has the perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturing results. Why bother hydrating dead skin cells? Smooth away any rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture. And this is, like I said, a $59 value. And that's why I kept the second box. I was on the wait list for both. The only reason I started a second account was because I started the channel and I wanted to have the base box during the time that the Luxe came. And then they started the customization. So I kept the second account, and I went on the wait list for the premium. So when I got off the wait list, I decided to keep it, simply that I'd be able to show you guys the customization product. And I've been pretty lucky where I haven't been getting a lot of duplicate products, but from time to time I do. And when I do, because I have the channel, I'm able to set the items aside. So it makes it a little bit easier to have the second account to be able to show you guys, like I said, for a $35 box, a $59 cream. So that's what this item looks like here. It does not have a scent. It feels very hydrating, but it's taking its time penetrating. So this is a really luxurious cream. So this would be the last step in my skincare. All right, the next item that we got was from a brand called Hardie. It says it's a Brilliance facial oil and it's an overnight treatment. They're saying it will increase moisture levels, increase elasticity, balance the skin, And this is 1 fluid ounce. It came in this box here, and the product inside looks just beautiful. If you're seeing, my products are already placed out in front of me because before we start filming, I always do an Instagram picture, and then I also check in the box to make sure everything that is in the box, because sometimes we don't get the information, as well as making sure there's nothing damaged, because I like to deal with that beforehand. So this is what the product looks like here. It also looks very luxurious, and they're saying this is a $55 value. They're saying this is a hydrating and lightweight, the Brillance facial oil from Hardie massages deeply into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. It is multi-active. It's a formulation that's crafted with potent essential oils that soothes and purifies the skin while combining all the oils that offer antioxidant protection from free radical damage. So this is what the product looks like here. It is an oil with a dropper. Oh, the scent is very, very spa-like. Like if you ever walked into a spa, that's what it smells like a bunch of fantastic, relaxing oils. And that's what the product looks like here. And this penetrated like really, really quickly. Same area. So that's still the Marc Jacobs cream, and right beside it would be the glowing oil. But like I said, that's already penetrated into the skin. Really, really nice. All right, the next item that we got is from this brand called Kitched. This is what we received. It's a box that says ice roller on it, and this is what was inside this item here. I have purchased off Amazon one that had a plastic component on it. It's supposed to have helped with migraines and that type of thing. This one, believe it or not, we live in Florida. This was sitting out not for long, and it felt warm to the touch. And when I watched, I think 1 or 2 other people that get actual PR boxes, when they touched it, they said it was cool. I placed all the items out on the table, finished with some work. When I came back now, the roller actually feels cool. And that could be from just the air conditioning that we have going on in the home. But I am really, really shocked because this really felt warm to the touch when we brought it in from outside. So this one says it is an ice roller. It's your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation. It increases blood circulation, and it will elevate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. It's recommended daily for best results. And this is an $18 value. Kitched is a really cool brand. I've gotten some hair accessories from them. This feels really, really nice, nicely made. The handle feels ergonomic. It's just really, really pretty. So if you have never owned one of these are a lot of fun to have, and they do help with the cooling effect also. The next item that I got was from Milk Makeup. It came in this gorgeous, gorgeous packaging, and inside was this little compartment here. It looks like it is a lip balm. No, it's not. It says it is called Kush. It's a lip scrub. And it says an exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother look moisturizing lips. It has shea, cocoa, and mango butters to soften your lips, seal in the moisture, and improve the texture. And they're saying this is a $22 value. The packaging on Milk and their products are usually really nice. It feels very heavy. Oh, it has a magnetic closure. Probably that's why it feels so heavy. And this is what it looks like here. It has that little bit of an angle for the balm. And it says it's a scrub, but I'm feeling it more like a balm. If you feel it, it's so minor. It's really, this is really, really nice. So this is something I think you can leave on your lips. It's not something that you have to put on like those thick sugar scrubs. This is really, really nice. Excited to have the opportunity to use this. Yeah, it feels very smooth on the skin. All right, and the last item that we got in the box is from Stila, and then we're going to swatch and show you guys the palette, which is the superstar of this box. So this one is from Stila. It is called Damsel is the color that I received. And this is what it looks like here. It says on the box, and everything comes in their full retail boxes, which is what I love. And this says it is a smudge stick waterproof eyeliner. And this item here says smudge stick is available in an array of shades that stay, not stray, for a reliable color payoff that is second to none. It's a moisturizing ingredients ensure color will glide on smooth, and the waterproof formula won't budge or fade. What more can you ask? This is used as a classic pencil liner, or you can use it as a smudgy eyeshadow. And this is also a $22 value, the same as the lip product that we just talked about. And it's that simple pencil. And I'm just going to do a quick line so we could see what the color looks like here. And that's what it looks like there. So they're saying this is Damsel, but it looks very much like a smoky black. That's what that looks like there. So nice to always have a waterproof eyeliner. And then finally, we're going to get to the palette, which looks like this. And I saw some sneak peeks of this, and I think it is really very colorful and very beautiful. This is a $46 value, or 40, yeah, I think 46. And it says this is called the Queen palette. It possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. And each color has holds an infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time for your past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. Okay, all right, so this is what this looks like here. That was very unique what they wrote, and I didn't know where they were going with it. And there's a full mirror on the top, and it comes with a safety shield. And I'm just gonna cover the mirror so I can show you guys up close what all of these colors look like. And then I will wipe off all the creams that I just put on my hand, and we'll do some swatching. All right, so this is really exciting that this is going to be a palette that everyone who gets premium is going to have the opportunity to have. So like I said, what ends up happening is I will be able to then share that this palette if when my other box comes. All right, here we go. So I'm going to read the names from here and then just put them up to the camera. So it looks like we have some mattes and some shimmers on the first row. And this is Empire, Sheba, Kingdom, and My Lady. And those are those shades there. And I have a wet tissue here, and then just a dry cloth right beside. And then the next four down is Throne, Powerful, Jewels, and Rani. So that's Throne, Powerful, Jewels, and Rani. They're swatching beautifully. That's what they look like there. And then we have the third row, which is Majesty, Queen, Your Highness, and Elizabeth. So we have Majesty, Queen, Your Highness, and Elizabeth. Yeah, the colors are really, really pretty. There we go. And then the last items, the last row, and then I'm going to do the final four that are on the outskirts, is Monarch, Honorable, Amina, and Regal. The purple doesn't seem to, the Regal one needs some help, so I'm just going to give it some so it shows up for the color, because swatches for me are all about the colors. That's what that looks like there. And then we're going to do the four that are on the outside, which look like really, really strong, except for one. The colors seem to be really, really strong. So we have Curtsy, Empress, Crown, and the last one there, Sovereign. Yeah, look at that. And those are the ones down there, really vibrant, really, really pretty. And that's what will make anything pop with the other ones. So I think there's enough in this palette that we have some really pretty colors if you want to play, but there's enough neutrals in here that if you're more like me, where we don't use that much color, but once in a while we like to use that pop of color, this would be a really, really pretty palette to have. So the outside packaging is just stunning, and the colors inside are just as beautiful. So that's everything I got in my first premium box. This is my first Boxycharm box for the month of September. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share it with you guys. And like I said, you will be seeing another one hopefully on my channel soon. We should have a base box as well as the Luxe this month on this channel in reference to everything Boxycharm. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. And I will see you all in my next video. But during this time, it's really important that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well. See you soon. Bye for now.